This is crunchy.
So?
There you go. Like peanutty crunchy.
You want me to go get Miss Foot so you two can discuss it?
Did you guys put some in my sandwich?
No.
Hey, Haverchuck, what happened now? Should we call an ambulance?
Yeah.
It's all right, Bill. Everything is gonna be okay.
Last time he ate a peanut, he was in a coma for 2 days. Doctor said he almost didn't make it.
Is he gonna die?
No.